Okay guys, welcome to the South End Las Vegas outlets. They have a north end that's outside. This is South End, it's inside. Let's see if we can see what's in here while we in here. Actually, I want to find a bite to eat. Oh yeah, let me remind you, if you like this type of video, give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. This is kind of like some malls too, but it's an outlet. So they got good percentage off the clothing. It's like warehouse type of price. Yeah, it's like a mall. Box lunch. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Mr. Ace. Try to let y'all see from a long distance. And this is just one side of it, so there's another side that's just as long. At least it's in the inside. It is not a mall. It's a shopping outlet, guys. I know it resembles a mall, but it's an inside shopping outlet. You can see the stores. I'm trying to get in the middle so you can see the stores without me swinging the camera all over the place. Yeah, but I don't. Shit. If you ask me, they got just as many stores in here as a mall. So yeah. Jewelry. Real friendly Starbucks. Man, they got a lot of stuff going on, guys. So I'm just breezing through. Hopefully find a food court. Like a mall. Here we have another Lids. Another Lids. US Polo. Shoe Palace. And we got the jewelry in the middle, like it's a mall. Crocs. Crocs. Another Lids. Had a Lids on both sides. This is the bigger Lids. Cole Haan. Tommy Hilfiger.
It is not going about 20.
so. I know y'all like the colors. Calvin Klein. We got the Skechers. Aeropostales. Just in case. They got cases for your phones, just in case. You got the Timberland boot store, Timberland shoe store, Cinnabon. You got the fragrance outlets right there. Man, it's just like a mall. Oh, they even got feet whitening 15 minutes. Okay. Sunglasses, JD. Auntie Annie smelling good. We got Vitamin World. They got the Nike shop right there. Balls, Oshkosh. They got a photo booth. You got a photo booth you can get in, take your pictures. Great diving. 2 strips, photos. Just Do It. They got the Nike shop. Corner Oshkosh. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna holler at you when we get to the other side. Okay, guys. Heading on the other side. We got the Reebok store. We got Adidas on this side. On this side, we got the Asus. Right here, they got the DKNY. They got a small. I don't know. I'm gonna see what kind of. I'm gonna check out the Korean Grill. Certified. I'm gonna check out this place before I go in the other place. Grab a meal, but let me keep looking around and then we'll grab me a meal. Okay, got the Fragrance outlet. Nautica. Got the Lee/Wrangler for the cowboys and cowgirls who love them denims. Yeah. We got the Pacific Sunwear. Charlie's Boots outlet. Right for the young women, young ladies. You got the Zoomers. See, the factory stores, outlets type of. So it's a good chance you can find what you're looking for in these stores. Ready Tux. Viva Las Vegas. Got Journeys. We'll get more in the middle for y'all. See here. Raglan shoes. We got the Retro City Gamers for old games. You know, guys, I'm not walking in these people's establishments if I'm not going to purchase anything. So I just want to let y'all see from the outside looking in. They even got a round one arcade. They got the round one arcade. And Mango Republic Cafe.
$10 to go. I go upstairs and I pay $5.
Got the Movado company right there. You know, massage chairs, the Milano collection, Chico's, and the Brooks Brothers. And right here, you know, my go-to will always be that Ralph Lauren, the Polo Ralph Lauren store. I said, I don't plan on purchasing anything right now, so I don't want to be walking in. I don't think I'm casing a joint or nothing, so yeah. Let's go back over here and see what's up at the food court. As small as it is, see what kind of food they got at the little restaurant I seen. Hold on, I'll be right with you. Okay, guys, I ended up ordering from Stir Fry 88. So I got my meal, the 2 combo right there. Then they also got Ike tacos. I don't know, I might should have checked this out first. And they got a shrimp taco combo, street taco. I might be back here to eat. To Mayana. Okay. Get over this way. That's what I was looking for at first, and I said, you know, let me try something more familiar. They got this Korean street food, Korean street grill combo, regular boxes, spicy poke bowl. So let me see what they got over here. They got the combo boxes. Box. Nice big restaurant. Okay guys, I'm going to conclude my video right here. I appreciate those who are watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please tell a friend, subscribe, support your brother. Like always, I'm going to holler at y'all next video.